Drive the same car for 200,000, 500,000, even 1 million miles, and it still refuses to die. Sounds impossible? It's real, and real owners have already done it. Today, we're revealing 13 legendary cars that simply never break down. Stay till the end. Some of these will shock you. Number 10. Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 is a sedan that simply refuses to quit. Known for its smart engineering and long-term durability, it offers a 2.5-liter engine capable of up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, with a turbocharged option producing up to 250 horsepower. A proven 6-speed automatic transmission keeps shifts smooth and reliable, reducing long-term wear. Features like G-Vectoring Control Plus help reduce stress on tires and suspension, while the high-strength steel frame adds durability and safety. With proper care, some owners report Mazda 6 models running up to 600,000 miles. It's a smart, balanced choice for anyone planning to keep their car long-term. Number 9. Ford F-150. No list of long-lasting vehicles would be complete without the Ford F-150. This American icon is built for hard work and real-world abuse. The 2011 to 2012 models introduced the EcoBoost V6, combining power with efficiency, while 2018 to 2019 models featured aluminum body panels to reduce weight and resist rust. Engines like the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 are known for durability, and J.D. Power consistently ranks the F-150 highly for long-term dependability. If you need a truck that works as hard as you do, the F-150 has already proven it can go the distance. Number 8. Chevrolet Suburban. Next up is the Chevrolet Suburban, a full-size SUV built for space and longevity. With engine options including a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, 5.3-liter V8, and 6.2-liter V8, the Suburban offers power, towing capability, and versatility. Cargo space reaches an incredible 144.7 cubic feet with seats folded, and the diesel version delivers up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. For best reliability, it's smart to choose the final year of a generation. The 2024 model earns a predicted reliability score of 78 out of 100 from J.D. Power. If you want a massive SUV that can last for years, the Suburban delivers. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. The Mercedes-Benz W124 is legendary for a reason. Built between 1984 and 1995, this car was over-engineered at a level rarely seen today. Many examples have surpassed 500,000 miles with only basic maintenance. Diesel versions are especially famous for durability, but every W124 was designed to handle decades of use. Even the high-performance 500e, developed with Porsche, shares this bulletproof DNA. If you want old-school Mercedes quality without modern complexity, the W124 remains one of the most reliable luxury cars ever built. Number 6. Toyota Camry. Now we enter the elite tier. The Toyota Camry is reliability in its purest form. Available with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder or a 3.5-liter V6, both engines are designed for efficiency and extreme longevity. Fuel economy reaches 39 miles per gallon on the highway, and Toyota Safety Sense adds advanced protection features. Low maintenance costs and proven engineering mean many Camrys comfortably exceed 600,000 miles with proper care. Simple, dependable, and nearly impossible to kill, the Camry earns its reputation. Number 5. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is a classic for one simple reason: it just keeps going. Known for reliable engines, strong build quality, and smooth driving manners, many Accord owners report mileage well beyond 300,000 miles. It offers a roomy interior, excellent fuel economy, and components built to last with minimal issues. Whether it's daily commuting or long road trips, the Accord delivers consistent, dependable performance year after year. Number 4. Toyota 4Runner. Built tough and engineered to survive, the Toyota 4Runner is reliability mounted on a truck frame. Its body-on-frame construction allows it to handle rough roads, extreme weather, and years of hard use without flinching. This is the kind of SUV that thrives where others start falling apart. Many owners regularly report 300,000 miles and beyond, and that's not by luck. The legendary Toyota engines powering the 4Runner are known worldwide for their simplicity and durability. Add excellent off-road capability, minimal electronics compared to modern SUVs, and strong resale value, and the 4Runner earns its reputation as one of the most dependable SUVs ever built. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just reliable, it's legendary. Built to survive the harshest environments on Earth, this SUV has been trusted everywhere from deserts to jungles to war zones. Known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles, many examples have even reached 1 million miles with proper maintenance. With a reliability score of 83 out of 100 and reasonable ownership costs for its class, the Land Cruiser offers a rare combination of strength, comfort, and long-term durability. It's expensive up front, but it earns every dollar back in longevity. If you want an SUV that defines true durability, this is the benchmark. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia. For families who need space without sacrificing long-term peace of mind, the Toyota Sequoia is one of the safest bets on the road. Models from 2009 and up are especially reliable. Major repairs are uncommon, ownership costs remain reasonable, and many Sequoias quietly rack up hundreds of thousands of miles with routine maintenance. It's big, comfortable, and built on proven Toyota truck engineering. If you want a full-size family SUV that's built for decades, not just a lease term, the Sequoia is made for the long haul. Number 1. Lexus LS 400. Taking the top spot is the car that changed luxury forever, the Lexus LS 400. When it launched in 1989, it proved that luxury didn't have to mean unreliability. Auto journalist Matt Farah famously drove his LS 400 to 1 million miles, and he's far from alone. Countless owners report decades of smooth, quiet, trouble-free ownership. Its V8 engine is legendary for longevity, maintenance costs are surprisingly reasonable for a luxury sedan, and even at high mileage, the LS 400 remains refined and comfortable. If you want a luxury car that simply refuses to die, one that outlasts trends, brands, and expectations, the Lexus LS 400 stands above them all. And that wraps up our list of 13 cars that simply never break down. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more real-world reliability content, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video to see which cars can't even survive 40,000 miles. See you in the next one.